In this video, we will demonstrate how to adjust the polarity of Cleerline SSF Uniboot patch cables. Cleerline SSF Uniboot patch cables are type A to B patch cables per TIA 568C standards. To reverse the polarity of the patch cable, you will first need to disengage the pole bar assembly. You will need a surface with a hard edge. The side of a cleaver or the termination kit case works well. To remove the pole bar, hold the connector by the boot. On the underside of the connector, opposite side from the pole bar, the raised edge of the pole bar assembly is visible. From the underside of the connector, push the edge of the pole bar assembly down firmly against a right angle corner. Slide disengaged pole bar assembly up cable. To adjust polarity, first remove dust caps from one connector. Rotate the other connector with the dust cap still engaged 180 degrees until it locks on the other side of the connector. Remove dust cap and place on connector that has not been rotated. Rotate second connector 180 degrees until it locks on the other side of the connector. Remove all dust caps. Without touching the connector ferrule, push down both LC clips. Slide pole bar housing forward until it clicks into place. Tabs and pole bar must be on the same side of connector. Replace dust caps. For more information, visit us online at clearlinefiber.com.